Good day, guys. Welcome to Noble Creative Digital Marketing Agency. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Noble Creative Videos Tutorial. So, in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to design a just simple Owambe party flyer on your Pixellab with a smartphone. So, without wasting much of our time, let's dive into today's business. So, the first thing I have to do right now is to bring out my image I'm using. So, let me go to my gallery. I click the plus button and I click on from image. So let me find it. So it is here. So this is one of it. So let me good. So the next thing you have to do right now is to go to your color this place. So you click on this. You click on this where that pink light is showing. Then go to your color. So the next thing you're going to do right now is to click on your plus button. Then click on color picker. Then click on this. Then you can actually zoom your work, zoom it because I'm picking the color from here, the background color from this place. So you click on here. So you have to be careful when selecting the color. Good. So this is what I need. Good. So the next thing I do right now is to increase it. Increase it. Still increase it a little bit. Increase it. Increase it. Increase it. Increase it. So you're going to place it here. Okay, let me decrease it a little bit. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is click on my plus button and let me bring something up. You can actually do it here. So the next thing now is to click on your shape. You click on shape, shape, click on shape. You can increase the shape, increase it. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to go to your gradient color, give it the gradient color. Then you click on this. Then click on the plus button to change it. So let's go. Good. So this is what I want. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is up. Yes. So you click on this, then you change it to this. Nothing showing again. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do right now to change this place, change it to green. So let's go. So you go to your color picker and pick it from here. Go. So this is actually what we want. So you click no. So you click on OK. Now can you see it? So the next thing now, can you see it now? So you can actually place it here. So actually reduce it. Good. So let's go here. So you can still duplicate it, then put it here again. Duplicate it again, you still put it here. So you can still do it again. So you can actually cover those places. Can you see? So that is how to get this blur everything. So the next thing you're going to write is our Owambe. So let's go. New text, then you write your Owambe. Owambe. Good. So change it to capital letter. So you bring it down here. Then go to your phone and give it some style some font. So let me give it a Newstone. So let me give it this. This is it. Newstone regular. So you have to increase it a little bit. Increase it. Then you place it here. So you can actually lock all these. You can lock everything. You can lock them. You can lock it. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to write my party. So you click your plus button, bring out the new text, then you write your party. Good. So we are giving the party on another font, stylish font, and that should be autograph. So let's check the autograph. So let's go. So this is the autograph. So I like this one. So let's go with it. So you can actually break it down here and give it another color. So the color, I'm going to pick another color from the woman. So let's go to our color and go to color picker. So you click on this, you click on plus, then you click on color picker. Then you can actually increase it a little bit to pick your color. So let's go, let's do that right now. Good. So this is the color you are picking. Good. Good. So the next thing we're going to do is to bring out the shape. Go to your shape. You actually increase the radius a little bit. Good, and place it here. So again, we are going to go to this and select another color, that yellow. So let's go. Good. So good. So you have to duplicate it again. Then go to your color, change this color to this. This good. So I'm placing it here. Good. So the next thing I'm going to write, let me check what I write here. So the next thing I'm going to write now is to click on my plus button and bring on my text, then write this party, starts exactly 9 p.m. with just I love dollar, so I'm putting dollar there with just $1, and it is 100% free gear. So you go and change it to capital letter, then you can actually you can lock this too. So the next thing now is to bring this on, then you change the font here. So you go to your font, then you change it. So this is my font, so let me change it. So you choose on that symbol. Okay, symbol is okay for it. So let's check if they are aligned together. Now we're also doing with alignment. So there's something to do. I have to measure. No? So let me look this. Okay, probably look it. Good. So I'm done with that. So the next time I'm writing with Abiola, with DJ Abiola. So go to your text, then you write with. So I'm giving it another font. Sorry, I'm using like for font for this design. I'm using the role of gravis. So I'm using this fortune taking or taking by fortune. So that is the font I'm using there. So you increase the size a little bit for people to see it, and you place it here. Although there's something to do, I want to move all this up a little bit so that it can fit in that place. I don't want to reduce the size. So let's go. Owambe party position. Good. Good, exactly. So the next time doing that, play this one up here. Play this one up here. So make sure it is aligned with this. So leave it with white color. Let me. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to write with the. So you duplicate this, then you write to your DJ Abiola. Abiola. So you give it this, then you can increase the size, then you place it here, and you give it another color. So give it this color. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to bring out another shape. So you click on your shape button, then you change to this, then you change the color to this. So you place it up here. Good. So what are you going to write here? You're going to write the date. So you click on this Owambe, then you duplicate it, then you write your date. 12 May. Then you shift this one to the middle. 12 May. So shift this one, shift it to the middle a little bit. So you write good, give it this. And then the next thing you're going to do right now is to reduce it, reduce the opacity. Reduce the opacity, reduce this. So let's use my position key because I make it smaller to put it here. So you change the color, what can work there, let's change the color to this. Good. 12 May, Owambe party. This party exactly start exactly 9 p.m. with just, so let me move this one a little bit here. Good. So let me check if this align. It's not aligned again. Good. So this I was able to come up with this Owambe party. So you can actually go to your this, save as a image, save as PNG, and as very high. So it's save to gallery. Don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. As you do so, may God bless you. Amen.